Hello everyone, this is Jen here. I'm making this very quick video to show you how you can join a team for A3. A3 is a case study and it's a team task and everyone will be completing that alongside some teammates. So this is how you sign up for a team. So you're going to head to your dashboard, you're going to find EDU 10,004 and in discussions you're going to find a thread called Team Sign Up for Assignment 3. So this just tells us that everyone will be completing the task as a team or within a group, and we're allowing students to join a team, do self-sign up from Friday of week 4 to Monday of week 6. So once you're here, you're going to click on this link if you would like to join a team. So now we've got the same details again, so everyone will complete this as a team, and this is how you do it. So teams are created of 3 or 4 members for this task, and what we've done is we've popped some tables in here, and see there's lots and lots of tables there, so you can pop your details in here and join a team if you're interested. So we've got Laura. It's really important that you're easily contactable by your teammates, so we need a minimum of 2 email addresses here. So you can see Laura, she's popped 2 email addresses in here and she's told us why she's a great team member. So she loves working with others and enjoys engaging. Excuse me. Danny would like to join her team and he's friendly and he's organized. So there's 2 teammates there and 1 or 2 more students could join that team for it to be complete. We've got Sally here who started a team and she's doing more than 1 unit, so she'd like to work ahead. She's online most days, but her best times to discuss or share her ideas are Friday, Saturday and Sunday. So I know a lot of students are completing more than 1 unit at a time, so that's great. So if I would like to join Sally, I'm going to go back up the top here and press edit. So once I've pressed edit, I can scroll down here. Now I'm Jen Moorhead, but I'm actually Jenny Moorhead. It's really important that you put your full name, the name that you have registered with Swinburne, because we don't want to double up. So if you've signed up here in a team, we want to make sure we know that you have, so we don't organize it ourselves in the ELA team later on. So for me, I have to put down my whole name, Jenny Moorhead, and I'm going to put in 2 email addresses so my teammates can find me, and I would like to work ahead as well. Looking forward to getting this done with my team. So just to reiterate, you must put your full name here, the name that you've registered with Swinburne, so we don't get any confusion there. And then once I've done that, I'm going to come down here and save. So now that I look at this thread, there we go, my details are in there, and all the students in my learning group can see as well and have the opportunity to join up themselves. So if you would like to join a team yourself, it's a great idea. You can start organizing yourself early. If you're not worried who you end up with or where you end up, your ELA will arrange this for you later in the teaching period and will share the details of that with you. But if you are interested, head down there into your own learning group and look at the thread, and we encourage you to join a team. So all the best for the team task, everyone. Bye.